Hey there, plant enthusiasts! Welcome back to Nature's Labyrinth, the channel where we dig deep, literally and metaphorically, into the secrets of the natural world. Today we're diving into something that's all around us, but rarely gets the spotlight it deserves: plant growth and development. Buckle up, because this isn't your average biology lesson. We're about to make science a whole lot greener. Let's start with the basics. What is plant growth? It's not just about plants getting bigger, it's about cells dividing, expanding, and turning into different parts of the plant. Roots, stems, leaves, the whole package. Now take this sunflower seed, for example. It's like nature's little treasure chest, packed with all the instructions needed to grow into a 6-foot-tall giant. Wild, right? But how does it actually happen? Let's break it down. It all starts with germination, the process where a dormant seed wakes up. Think of it as the seed's morning routine. It drinks a ton of water, stretches out its roots, and starts reaching for the sun. But here's the cool part. Seeds are super picky. They won't germinate unless the conditions are just right, like Goldilocks with her porridge. The soil needs to be moist, the temperature cozy, and there has to be oxygen in the mix. No air, no party. Now let's talk about the behind-the-scenes directors of plant growth: hormones. These little chemical messengers tell the plant what to do and when to do it. For example, auxins make plants grow taller by elongating cells, while gibberellins are like the cheerleaders encouraging the plant to sprout and flower. Imagine these hormones as the plant's personal trainers, constantly saying, "Stretch those cells," or "It's flowering time, let's go." Without them, plants would just be, confused blobs of green. Okay, here's where things get lit, literally. Plants are obsessed with light, and for good reason. Light fuels photosynthesis, the process where plants convert sunlight into energy. It's like their personal power station. And have you noticed how plants lean toward light? That's called phototropism. Thanks again to auxins. The cells on the darker side of the plant grow faster, causing the plant to bend toward the light. Basically, plants are natural yoga masters. As plants grow, they pass through different stages of development, from germination to seedling, then the vegetative stage where they focus on getting bigger and stronger. Next comes the flowering stage, basically plant puberty, and finally the fruiting stage where they show off their hard work. Fun fact, some plants, like tomatoes, keep producing fruit as long as conditions are right. Talk about overachievers. But not everything is smooth sailing for plants. Environmental factors like water, temperature, and soil nutrients play a huge role in their growth. Too much water? The roots can drown. Too little? They dry out. It's a delicate balance. Kind of like baking a cake, but without the recipe. The trick is to observe and adjust. Plants are great at telling you what they need. You just have to learn their language. At the end of the day, plant growth and development is all about teamwork between the plant, its environment, and those tiny hormones working behind the scenes. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie with a single houseplant, remember, every green leaf has a story. Thanks for joining me on this leafy adventure. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more plant-tastic content, and drop a comment below with your favorite plant fact. Until next time, keep growing and glowing.